Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today we're going to work on this ET-8550 pickup arm. Also, you have your paper not pick up from the bottom tray. Here's how you check. Remove the duplexer. Now you can see the arm and the paper tray. Here's the paper tray's leg. I'm going to push the paper tray in. And when I push it in, you will not be able to see the yellow tape underneath. And just pay attention to what the arm does when I push the paper tray in and all the yellow disappear. That means the tray is completely in. You can see when I push the paper tray all the way in, the pickup arm going to be lowered and touch the white paper. If your printer has problem pick up paper, maybe because this arm is not lowered. Okay, so basically we take a printer, we flip over. You can see the pickup arm is resided within the white paper stacker. How can I know about this? We can go to BCH Technologies.com and search for ET-8550 parts list. And we select this document. I constantly update this document. So whenever I have a new update, you should automatically receive a new link for the newest version. Also, you can come back and check the version number. Here's the version number. You can either log into your account and click downloadable products and get a newest version, or just email support@bchtechnologies.com and give us your order number and we can send a full email. I constantly making new videos. So my plan is when I make a new video, I put a little YouTube icon here. You click that, and it will drop right into it. And all the parts are numbered. So if you click it, it brings you to the product page that you can get a spare part. This arm is lowered by this lever. And this lever is controlled by this slider. So when this slider slides out, it triggers the lever goes up. So when the lever goes up, the arm going to drop by gravity. Besides the white lever, there's also a black lever. And this black lever works just opposite. So when you have this photo tray inserted, it's going to push down the black lever. And you can see black lever push the arm down, so hide the arm. So the black and white, they work reverse. The white is released, the black is retrieved. See, the arm is never caught by this photo tree. The black lever is very easy to remove. The only thing secure it is those two clamps. And we just lift it up and it will be removed. To install, we make sure the little arm is toward us and slide that into the arm and push the whole thing down. And make sure you can push the arm down. Okay, that's how you install it. Here's a closer look how the lever is released. Now, we slide the slide bar over, remove the slide bar, then we raise the arm until we cannot reach anymore. And then we press down the release lever and the two parts are separated, all right? And then this thing can just pull it up straight. And you can see it's two little hands. One hand is small, one hand is bigger. The smaller one hold down the small rod, and the bigger one hold down the bigger rod. And I'm checking if the gear can transfer its force to the rollers. Then bend the lever a little bit and push the plastic tabs. Make sure that push gently, don't break it, and remove from one side. Now you can separate the lever and the spring. And now install. Hold the spring like this, and see the spring has a little tab coming out. So that tab is going to hold the lever here. And find a hole on the case. There's a little notch on there for your spring. So slide your spring over and try to poke the white lever into that hole. So I push forward. So yeah, At the same time, make sure that the arm from the spring is holding the rod. Okay, so you stuck it in, and then the other side, and just slide in, bend, slide. There we go. Okay. And now install the slider. The slider has 2 tabs, and there are 2 holes on the case. We're going to match it, and we're going to insert it and push forward. Go, you push back the lever first, then you push forward. Okay, now it works. It's just like a Legos. Okay, remember big hands to the bigger rod, smaller hands to the smaller rod. That's what she said. And put a black lever back, and you're gonna get yourself working pickup assembly. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please visit us at bchtechnologies.com or locally at Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers!